The HI Rise equipment pad from Dakota Sourcing Crone, designed for HVAC professionals who need fast, durable, and space-saving installation. Its integrated design boosts load capacity and makes installation quicker and easier. The snowflake support frame raises your equipment by 8 inches, keeping it clear of snow and debris. Built-in measurements help you confirm length instantly during setup. Made from high-performance polypropylene, it stands strong under UV exposure and harsh weather. Each pad includes 8 knockout holes for easy drilling, allowing it to be securely fixed to the ground. And 8 adjustable anti-vibration pads for extra stability and noise reduction. That's the high-rise equipment pad from Dakota Sourcing. Scan the QR code to learn more. Thanks for your watching.